Welcome back to the workshop. Today we're starting with what most people call junk. These rusted gears and scrap copper are the foundation of our next high-end kinetic build. But before we shape them, we have to treat them. Rust is the enemy of motion, and today I'm showing you how to beat it. The secret to a smooth spin is balance. I'm hand-twisting each copper pedal to a precise 45-degree angle. Notice the solder joints. I'm using a high silver content solder for better conductivity. This ensures the solar motor starts even in low light conditions. This is where the alchemy happens. Now for the weatherproofing. I'm applying a specialized hydrophobic polymer. This creates an invisible barrier against moisture. Even the base, made from our custom soot black mortar, is engineered to be rock solid. This piece is now officially storm-proof. As the sun sets, the energy we captured earlier takes over. From scrap metal to a self-sustaining luxury centerpiece. This is the power of engineering meeting art. If this helped you understand the process, hit the subscribe button. We're on the road to 1 million, and I'm glad you're part of the journey.